In today's day and age, there's a variety of technology ranging from mobile phones and computers to smart devices that will allow you to control the air conditioning and heat without moving an inch. All these various technologies need some sort of protective measures to keep them secure and away from cybercriminals. This is where cybersecurity comes in. Whether you're a student, a small business owner, or simply someone who uses the internet, understanding the basics of cybersecurity is crucial. Cybersecurity plays a critical role in ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of our digital landscape. From personal data to enterprise infrastructures, the importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated. In this video, I will dive into the realm of cybersecurity and its significance in today's day and age. So what exactly is cybersecurity? In a nutshell, it's all about protecting your online profile. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting data, computer systems, networks, and digital assets from various threats, including cybercriminals, data breaches, and disruptions to data or networks. Cybersecurity encompasses a wide range of practices and technologies designed to help keep our online profile secure. Think of it like this. You don't just leave the front door open for a thief. Instead, you lock the door and have other protective measures along with the lock, like cameras. You need to make the same type of effort to protect your online profile that you would for protecting your house. Why does cybersecurity matter? You might be asking. Well, let me give you a few reasons. To start, we store lots of personal information online, such as login usernames and passwords, bank account credentials, photos, and more. All of this information has the potential to be leaked or stolen by a cybercriminal through various malicious attacks. Cybercriminals can leverage these different attacks and use them for their own financial gain, which is usually the root of most attacks. Cybercriminals sell your information to a third party or advertiser, which can lead to account compromise or even identity theft. If you want to know more in-depth information about different malware types that attackers use to steal our info, then you can check out the video in the top right. One security concept that represents foundational principles in cybersecurity is the CIA Triad, which does not stand for the Central Intelligence Agency in this case. If you are learning about information technology or cybersecurity, then you have seen this model numerous times through your studies. The CIA Triad stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This model is widely used by cybersecurity professionals and helps them develop policies and guidelines for information security. Confidentiality refers to the protective measures that prevent sensitive information from being accessed by unauthorized individuals. We all have a lot of sensitive information that can be directly correlated to us, such as an address, medical record, or social security number. It's very common to see cybercriminals attempting malicious attacks on large corporations since the company already has millions of sensitive info in one place. These companies use a variety of protective measures that would fit into the confidentiality category, such as access controls, data encryption, and two-factor or multi-factor authentication. All of these protective measures provide confidentiality since they prevent sensitive information from being accessed by unauthorized individuals. Integrity ensures that data is not modified or alerted by unauthorized individuals. Ensuring the accuracy and trustworthiness of data and systems is crucial in many scenarios, such as an ongoing investigation that involves digital forensics. Police wouldn't believe you weren't at the office at 4 a.m. unless you showed untampered footage of the office door locked and never opened. Examples of integrity are hashing, digital signatures, certificates, and many more. Availability, as the name implies, ensures that data, systems, and network paths are accessible and operational to authorized individuals when needed. Availability is a key part of any business since money is always on the mind of a CEO. Disruptions in servers or systems can lead to a financial loss. A couple examples of availability include RAID technology, backup solutions, redundant systems, redundant network paths, and load balancing. As you can see, the CIA Triad can help guide organizations and individuals make intelligent decisions on protecting their data and systems. It is crucial to maintain an equal balance of all three principles, so systems and services are always available and are only modified or accessed by authorized individuals. There are numerous things that everyone can do to protect themselves against cybercriminals. The following are a couple essential tips. Use strong passwords. You want to make sure that your passwords include upper and lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, and ideally a longer password around 14 characters minimum. Use two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication will improve the security of login attempts and prevent access to an attacker, regardless if the password was compromised. An example of two-factor authentication is when a login page requires approval from an authenticator app after a correct password is typed. Use an antivirus software. Ensuring an antivirus software is installed and up to date is the key to detecting and blocking malware in real time. Antivirus software can scan signatures of files and match them to known viruses, preventing them from infecting your computer. To sum up, cybersecurity is the foundation of our digital world safety. It's a field that is dynamically changing with ever-evolving cyber threats. Cybersecurity is essential to keep information out of the wrong hands. By staying informed about best practices, technologies, and increasing awareness, we can collectively work to protect our digital assets and preserve our privacy in this interconnected world. If you thought this video was informative, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.